Oh man, I tell you what, this gold chart right here is super interesting right now. If you are a believer in gold, you're going to want to hear this information because something big might be coming. All right, right now, I want to give you some information that is like definitely a game changer. It is very, very important. It is must see. I want to take you in depth on some gold. I'm calling this a breakout moment for the gold charts right now. The bull market in the 1970s had 200 all-time highs for gold. In the 2000s bull market, just over 100 all-time highs for gold. But now the present bull market, which has been great, has only seen 74 new all-time highs so far. So while gold spot price is in a collective 180 new all-time highs in the past 25 years, and it's more than 10 times for a century-to-date appreciation of 1,233%, holy smokes, from February 2001's low of 255. That's right, $255 to its price. The same cannot be said for the companies that explore for gold, develop projects, and operate mines. You know, the gold mining industry has faced critical crisis over the past 15 years. From 2010 to 2025, exploration budgets have stagnated or declined. Discoveries have plummeted between 1990 and 2023. 350 mines containing 2.9 billion ounces were found, but only 29 occurred post-2010, with no major discoveries since 2016. Global gold production has stagnated, with projections of 17% supply drop by 2030. Existing mines are depleting faster than reserves are replenished, and this underinvestment in new deposits is such a huge, momentous driver for a likely supply crunch. Mines are depleting, it's a fact. No major new discoveries, that's another fact. I'm incredibly bullish on gold. If you've watched me throughout the years, you've seen that. Wall Street investment banks are even bolder than I am about the future of gold. The last major bull market for gold-related companies occurred more than 13 years ago, while gold has appreciated from 75% from 2011. The GDXJ index has depreciated by 63%. Now, after a decade of little to no activity in the gold and M&A space, the sector is waking up. This past month, legendary hedge fund manager John Paulson agreed to acquire 50% of the underdeveloped Donlin gold deposit in Alaska for $1 billion US. Now, this is the best time, in my opinion, to be looking at companies that own large deposits of gold in prime jurisdictions. The setup is wonderful. Now, everything I just laid out brings me to today's sponsor, AXCP Ventures, ticker symbol GARLF in the U.S. markets, whose insiders are buying stock in recent weeks, as I'm going to show you. AXCP Ventures, or GARLF, was incorporated to make investments to rapidly capitalize on the distressed conditions of the gold industry. The management assumes that their assets, which are comprised of around 5.57 million ounces of gold equivalent resources in the measured and indicated category, and an additional 0.5 million ounces inferred, are valued around $5 an ounce, while peers are trading for about 8x as much, or 700% more, could be re-rated. Yeah, you heard right. Start researching AXCP Ventures, right? Canadian ticker symbol AXCP and U.S. ticker symbol GARLF. Now, their thesis is based on the case studies of previous instances in which similar situations have led to meaningful appreciation. AXCP Ventures' flagship Converse project in Nevada's Battle Mountain Trend, a premier gold jurisdiction producing 75% of U.S.'s gold, is a standout. The project's October 2024 mineral resource estimate reports 5.57 million ounces of measured and indicated gold and 0.42 million ounces inferred, with the drill program launched in March 2025. Insider purchases totaling $1.2 million in Q1 2025 signal strong management confidence. For example, on May 1st, 2025, Mario Vitro, the co-founder and director, purchased 20,000 shares. On top of that, Tyrone Breitenbach, the second co-founder and director, purchased 50,000. One day before that, on April 30th, Mario purchased 10,000. The day before that, 15,000 shares. On April 28th, he purchased 25,000. On April 25th, he purchased 110,000 shares. On the 24th, he purchased 60,000 shares at Canadian 15 cents. Collectively, a total of 240,000 shares just on the last week of April. The team assembled to run AXCP Ventures have been involved in the discovery of over 20 million ounces of gold with previous endeavors. Here's the value proposition. Advanced gold deposits are trading anywhere from $40 to $60 per ounce. AXCP Ventures is trading at $5 an ounce. This company is cashed up with around $10 million. Peers trade at US about $49 an ounce on average, while AXCP Ventures market cap translates again to only $5 an ounce. Research AXCP Ventures. The business model is simple. Drill the properties in order to create the conditions for an exit at valuations comparable to recent ones. I love it. Definitely check out the information down in the description of the video for AXCP Ventures. I got the ticker symbol. I got some website right there, so you can check out some information on your own at your leisure. But give them a shot. Always do your own research, and I appreciate you for watching. Got to go for now.